Think your logo is your brand? That is the biggest branding mistake most small businesses make, and it is costing them customers every single day. The truth is, branding is not just about colors, fonts, or a fancy website. Your brand is the experience people remember after interacting with your business. Here is where most small businesses go wrong. They focus on looking professional instead of being memorable. One day, they sound fun on social media. The next day, they are overly corporate. Their messaging changes, their visuals are inconsistent, and customers get confused. Confused customers do not buy. Strong brands are consistent. They have a clear message, a recognizable visual style, and a personality that stays the same across every platform. Whether someone visits your Instagram, website, or walks into your store, they should instantly recognize your business. People do not buy from the business with the nicest logo. They buy from the brand they remember and trust. So before you redesign your logo or spend thousands on a new website, ask yourself one question. If I removed my logo today, would people still recognize my brand? If the answer is no, that is where you should focus first. Because memorable brands do not happen by accident. They are built through consistency. Follow Digify Squad for practical branding and marketing tips that help your business stand out and grow.